Hey everyone, Amy here. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so very much for being here. Today I am doing a few coasters. I did not have enough leftover paint to do 4, but I did do 3, and I love the results of how this turned out. So if you have been following along on my channel, I have been doing some puddle pour bloom swipes on canvas and wanted to give it a try on some coasters because I was so happy with the results on my canvases. So instead of putting down a base of white and using my colors to do my bloom or my bloom swipe, I decided that I would just put little puddles of my paint colors and then swipe over top. So my paints are mixed with my bloom recipe, which is the bare untinted paint and the polyacrylic. And then my swipe is Australian Floetrol, 3 parts to 1 part Amsterdam titanium white. On this first coaster, I thought I'm gonna see how it turns out by tilting it, since I have been tilting my canvases. I do have my cake spinner there, as you can see, and I do spin this coaster, and I kind of do a combination of tilting and spinning with these 3 coasters. All of my colors will be listed down below, and if you saw, I had them slide across there for that at the very beginning of this. Oh my goodness, my brain is not working today. I absolutely apologize. I have a bit of a migraine today, but I'm trying to get my video done so I can share it all with you. So here is a quick little close-up of this little beauty. I love Pebeo's Iridescent Blue Black with the dark colors. And then with that Glisten from TLP, I love their iridescent colors. I have quite a few and definitely want more. I mix them with my fluid art recipe as well, which is just my 2 parts Floetrol and then water. And I use, again, my brain is not working, gel medium to start to make a paste, and then use my Floetrol and water to thin as needed, depending on the technique that I'm using. But again, this is my bloom recipe. With this second coaster, I decided to use my little skewer and kind of run it through just to sort of incorporate all of the colors. I didn't do that on the first one, but I like them all to look sort of individual to each other, and you can see that I'm swiping differently than I did on the first one. And I don't think I tilt this one. I just spun this one out, and to the naked eye, it looks like there's a lot of silver in this one, but as you tilt it, you can see all of that beautiful glisten, and it just shimmers. I love, 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 love how just amazing the iridescent TLP pigments work. Last one, coaster number 3 here. These coasters are for sale. I will be selling 2 as a set and 1 individually, since I only have 3 and I did not get a chance to make the 4th one. I don't have a video of them with a resin coat on them. I have not quite gotten around to that at this point of editing, but they will be resined very, very soon. And yeah, if you're interested in purchasing these beauties, one of these beauties or a set of 2, let me know. Send me an email, amysacrylicartistry@gmail.com. I also have a website at www.amysacrylicartistry.com. You can follow me on Instagram at anxiousamy_IG. And like I said, my email is amysacrylicartistry@gmail.com. I also do commissions if you're interested. Like I said, send me an email. So here is this. I love this one. I love the S swipe through and just the patterning of that beautiful lacing that the Australian Floetrol creates. Beautiful, beautiful. I would love if you would subscribe to my channel. Be sure to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos, as well as leaving me a comment. I am so very close to 1,000 subscribers and would love if you could help me get there. So here are the wet results of these 3 beautiful coasters. I would love to hear what you think of how these beautiful little coasters turned out. Leave me a comment down below. And if you have made it this far, I want to send you a very, very huge thank you for watching my entire video. Leave me some purple hearts in the comments to let me know that you watched the entire video. Again, thank you very, very much. Have a great day and a great week, and I will see you in the next video. Take care, everyone. Bye.